Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are fine and safe and sound at your home. Today I'm going to discuss a question that is very important for your exam. Here you can see that there are 5 sentences about a question. Firstly, I would like to give some hints how to make the question. At first, you have to remember one thing, that in terms of making the question, you have to remember one thing, that is, if the given statement or if the given sentence is positive or affirmative, you have to make it negative. And if the statement is negative, you have to make it positive or affirmative. So you can see that there are 5 sentences. In terms of making the question, you have to remember, you have to find out auxiliary verb. In this, at the end of the sentence or at the end of the statement, you have to use short form. Okay. And in terms of making the question, you cannot use noun. You have to use pronoun. What is pronoun? That is, pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. So you can see that drug is ruining our young generation. So here auxiliary verb is. So you can see that this statement is positive or affirmative. So is auxiliary verb. I have to give here negative form of is. What is negative form? Is not. What is short form of is not? Isn't. You can say isn't. Isn't is short form. So, in terms of making the question, you have to follow subject. This subject will come at the end of the auxiliary verb of the question. So you can see that drug. Drug. So drug is a noun. You cannot use noun in terms of making that question. You have to use pronoun. What is the pronoun of drug? Drug is name of an object. So you have to bring it instead of noun of drug. So it, isn't it? You have to put question mark at the end of the sentence, isn't it? So count number second. Nobody called me yesterday. So you can see that in terms of making the question, you have to find out auxiliary verb. Okay, you can see that there is no auxiliary here. Okay, so when you don't find any auxiliary, what should you do then now? Then you have to find out main verb or principal verb. How can you identify principal verb or main verb? Okay, if you notice here, you can see that we have to follow this step: subject plus verb plus object. You always find verb after subject, basically, in general. Okay. If you want to find out verb, you have to look for subject. Every sentence starts with subject. So you can see that nobody is subject here. What is verb? After subject, you will have verb. What is verb? This word is verb. Okay. So if you don't find any kind of auxiliary, you have to bring 3 auxiliaries. 3 auxiliary verbs. What are they? Do, does, and did. Do, does, and did. You can see that. If you find auxiliary, that's fine. When you don't find any kind of auxiliary, then you have to look for these 3 auxiliary verbs only. What are they? They are do, does, did. Now the question is there, the $1 million question is there. Among these 3 auxiliary verbs, which will come here for this question? If you find ed at the end of the word, at the end of the verb, you have to use did. If you find ses at the end of the verb, you have to use does. If you don't find any ses or ed at the end of the verb, or if you find present form of the verb, you have to use verb do. So you can see that called. At the end of this word, that means this verb called ed. That means past form of the verb or if you find ed at the end of the verb, you have to give or put did for this verb. That means you have to use did for this verb. Okay, so you can see that call. I have to use did. Okay, did is here. But you can see that if the statement is positive, you have to make it negative. If the statement is negative, you have to use positive form. Nobody called me yesterday. That means no one called me. So nobody is negative. You can't use negative form here. Negative statement here. So nobody is negative. You cannot make it negative again. You should make it positive. So did. So nobody is noun. You cannot use this nobody here because you have to use pronoun. What is the pronoun of nobody? They. Did they? You have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Come to number third one. Our examination is over. Our examination is over. So here this is auxiliary verb. If you find any auxiliary verb, I don't look for any kind of main verb or principal verb. So is verb. You have to put here is. But if this statement is positive, you have to make it negative. That means is not. Isn't. Short form should be used. Okay. Our examination is subject. It is noun. You cannot use this. You have to use pronoun. Our examination is the name of an object. It, isn't it? Okay. Last number 4. Let us study. You can see that let's and let us both are same. Okay. In these words, apostrophe or short form has been used. The short form of let us is let's. Whenever you get let's or let us, both are same. In terms of having letters or let's, you have to use shall we. Shall we. For making question tag or tag question. So come to number last one. You can see that 5 verbs. So in terms of make tag question, you have to follow. But you have to find out auxiliary verb. There are a lot of auxiliary verbs. For example, am, is, was, were, will be, shall be, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, need, dare, or to, must, do, does, did, have, etc. If you don't find any kind of auxiliary verb among these auxiliary verbs, then you have to look for just main verb or principal verb. How can you identify main verb? You have to look for subject. Every sentence starts with subject. So where is subject? What is verb? After subject you will find verb. This is verbs. Verbs. So sorry, there is a mistake here. Bu are in verbs. Okay. So you can see that this is verb because that has come after the subject. So verbs. If you don't find any auxiliary verb, you have to use 3 auxiliary verbs only. What are they? Do, does, did. So if you find as at the end of the verbs, you have to use does. So I have to use auxiliary does among these 3 auxiliary verbs. Now the question is there: is it positive or affirmative or negative sentence? Actually, it is affirmative sentence. You have to make negative. So doesn't. This file is subject, but you cannot use this subject because it is noun. It is pronoun. So what is the pronoun of fire? Is it. So doesn't it. Okay. I think all of you have understood. Okay. So you should study at home, and if you have any problem, you can call me. Okay. Today that is our class on tech question. I have tried my best to make you understand. So, in our next class, I will discuss a new thing. Till then, Allah Hafiz.